Hi everyone, David Lewis here, and I have a question for all of my leaders, all my dealers, GMs, sales managers, service managers. And my question to you is this: who is the most important person that walks through the front doors of your dealership every single day? Now, I know most of you are going to say it's the customers. And you know what? I disagree with you. Now, do I think the customer is important? Absolutely. They're critical to our dealership success. But as a leader, the most important person that walks through your dealership doors every day is your staff. It's your salespeople, your technicians, your administrative staff, your porters, your parts counter people. It's the phone operator. See, they're the ones on the front line. They're the ones that are making you successful. See, a leader realizes that it's not about them. It's about the people underneath them, making them successful. If you view them as the most important person that walks through that dealership every day, well, guess what they'll do? They'll make your customer the most important person. But the reverse works. If you do not make them the most important person, they won't make your customer the most important person when they come into the dealership. That's why it's so important to train, to educate, to motivate, to keep them fired up at all times. That's your job as a leader. That's what leadership is all about. Think about it. I think once you give it a little bit of thought, you'll realize that it is the most important person. It's your staff that walks through the door every single day. Treat them with dignity and respect, and guess what? They're going to do a great job for you. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.